All right, guys, I said I was going to do this. I'm not going to do the stonefish yet. I'm going to wait till Monday so that everybody has a couple days if they want to join the membership just to get in on it, because I haven't done the full giveaway yet. So what we're doing is we're choosing again, picking out the winner of this Chesterman knives. Actually, I think it's made in North England now that I've been told. We're going to pick the winner of this because the gentleman who won still has not contacted me, and I just really want to give this out to one of you in appreciation for being one of my subscribers. So let's go ahead, hang on a second. I'll get this turned around so we can zoom in on the random picker. That way you guys know who won. All right, guys, I brought it in close. I already have it all set. It's set. I filtered duplicates, and I've already got the comments set. There was 122 comments. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do right now is we are going to pick the winner. So let's go, and the winner is going to be Jim K. So Jim K, I'm going to see what that does there. I'm going to see if I can just send a direct message directly to that comment. There we go. I'm going to send this person directly a message if possible. But Jim K, you won the Chesterman fixed blade on the second drawing. So if possible, please get in touch with me and I will make sure that you get your item as soon as possible. All right. Let's get this turned back around. So if you guys follow the channel regularly, you know this is not the first time I've had to do a redraw for a giveaway. I don't know if people just don't watch or if it's so long in between. I try to keep it as a short period of time, but the fact is, I'm not going to hold on to this forever. It's already been here longer than I intended. So Jim, I'm going to post this up that you won the Chesterman fixed blade giveaway. I'll post that in the comment section. Guys, if you're not following the comment section, there's a lot of information that I put up in the comment section. I put video links into other channels, things that I find entertaining, things that I find pertinent. I like to put up, and I put up information about the channel and what's going on. So if you're not watching the community tab, that comment section, then you're kind of missing out on stuff that I do on the channel. I put up stuff directly to the members. That's where you would get, if you're a member, that's where you get your direct access to the early access on the videos. And there is also, I'm gonna keep doing it, there's a link to my merchandise store in the description below. There's all kinds of things on it. You can get towels, and I mean, there's more merchandise there than I ever expected to be. My thanks to the guys at Full 30 for doing that. They set it up. I didn't have to do anything except provide them the logo I wanted. So there's stuff coming to me so that you can see some of the merchandise. Guys, not to make this take any longer, I will talk to you all later. Have a great weekend.